When I was trying for cinema, one day I met Naazar sir.
Okay.
He did one documentary about King Rajaraj Cholan and Rajendra Cholan. Okay. I went there. My salary was 2,000 rupees that time.
Okay.
So when he called me that he is going to make one film about Terukuthu. You know Terukuthu?
No, sir.
That I don't know how to say that. So Terukuthu. Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
So the play is about Terukuthu. That film is about Terukuthu.
Okay.
So he told me that when he was trying for cinema, he was a little shy to tell that I'm an actor.
Okay.
Because we also had the same thing, not to say actor. So one of his friends told, when you're trying for become an actor, why can't you say that I'm an actor? So he told me that, you tell your profession that you're an actor, right? And doctor is saying that he's a doctor. An engineer is saying he's an engineer. Your actor must say you're an actor. So he only taught me that. So I'm telling you this. You ask, yeah, you are an actor. If anybody asks if you did films as lead role, you say, I'm the hero in that film. And then only you get the confidence. Then when you get the confidence, then you can present yourself very comfortably and freely in the camera. It's not a advice, it's a suggestion, what I got from this.
సార్ అడ్వైస్ ఆబ్వియస్గా మాకు కావాలి సార్ మీ దగ్గర నుంచి. అండ్ మీరు ఇనీషియల్ స్టేజెస్లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా దేనికైనా ఇన్సెక్యూరిటీ లాగా ఏమైనా ఫీల్ అయ్యారా?
ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఉంది. Some scenes I don't get confidence to perform because you can't understand. I believe that you can't understand everything through words from the directors. Sometimes it is deeper than the words. So some scenes it was very difficult to perform. Sometimes I ask for a break. Sometimes I tell, give me some time. I didn't understand. So I sit and talk to my director for hours and before shoot also. Not only on the set. Once I like the story, I keep meeting my director to understand the character.
Okay.
So Maharaja, I met him so many times. Just not to discuss about the story. Just to be with the director, you understand something.
Okay.
మాతో మీ వ్యాపారాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు మా IOTT ప్లాట్ఫారంలో వేస్తాం. అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మీ వ్యాపారం నిమాతో ముందుకు తీసుకువెరతాం. అన్నింటిలో మీ వ్యాపారం ప్రచారం చేస్తాం. మీ వ్యాపారం మా ప్రచారం.
మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనల కోసం ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి.